Are you ready to turn your ordinary property into an extraordinary investment? At Alchemy Property Management, we specialize in full-service short-term rental management that maximizes your income while giving you complete peace of mind. Owning a short-term rental doesn't have to be stressful. With Alchemy Property Management, we take care of everything for you. From stunning property design and setup to professional listing management, marketing, guest communication, and even cleaning and maintenance, we've got it all covered. We use professional photographs and compelling copy to showcase your property, listing it on top platforms like Airbnb, VRBO, and Booking.com for maximum exposure. Our AI-powered pricing tools adjust your rates in real time, ensuring you stay competitive while optimizing your income. Not only do we focus on delivering an exceptional guest experience to drive 5-star reviews, but we also provide transparent reporting through our client portal. You'll always have insight into your property's performance without lifting a finger. And here's the best part. Whether you're a seasoned property owner or just getting started, we'll give you a free property analysis to help you understand the potential of your investment. We'll provide detailed estimates of revenue, occupancy rates, daily rental rates, and market trends, so you'll know exactly what your property can achieve. Why settle for ordinary when you can turn your property into something extraordinary? Let Alchemy Property Management take your investment to the next level with stress-free, hands-off short-term rental management. Visit our website to request your free property analysis today, and let's get started.